Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to transfer your crypto from Coinbase to an external wallet safely in 2025. So step 1, open the Coinbase app or website and go to your assets and then your crypto, such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, and many more. Step 2, tap send and choose the amount that you want to transfer. Step 3, open your external wallet like Trust Wallet, metamask, and many more. And then you should copy your receive address for the same cryptocurrency that you will be sending in your other account. Step 4. Paste the address into your Coinbase and double check the first and last few characters to avoid the errors. Step 5. Choose the network fees and confirm the transaction. Some tokens may require a memo or tag, and make sure to include it if it was prompted on your end. Step 6. Just wait a few minutes. You can track the status under the Coinbase transaction history or on a blockchain explorer using your wallet address. And now, you have securely transferred crypto from your Coinbase to another wallet. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.